way from the United Arab Emirates. These, I'm guessing, are the trim tools. Here. Oh yeah. Nicely packaged. So maybe next weekend we'll put this thing together. Whoa, look at those wires. Awesome. That is the handle. Beautiful. Just finished putting my new Bimmer-Tech camera on my old E60 528xi. It was an interesting project. Took a bit of work, but it works like a dream. So let me show you. On the inside, everything's back to normal. Let's start the car. Just as you put your car in reverse, there you go. Now you can change that by pressing and holding the start key to just half of the screen. Again, full screen. We're still going to adjust the lines a little bit. They were off center, but we will fix that down the road. I threaded the controller buttons here and hit them so we can use them to program the MMI. It's just beautiful. I'm very, very happy. And we got to do a project, my son and I. It took us the whole weekend, but we worked on all the days.